Are you looking for a rewarding career in healthcare? Become a dialysis technician, a key player in saving lives every day. Dialysis technicians work closely with patients suffering from kidney failure, helping to operate and maintain life-saving dialysis machines. Wondering how to become a dialysis technician? It's simple. With the right training, you can join this fulfilling career. At DCDC Academy of Healthcare, we offer a comprehensive dialysis technician course at an affordable price with 100% job guarantee upon graduation. Our program combines classroom learning with hands-on experience, so you're fully prepared to enter the healthcare workforce. No prior medical experience? No problem. Our courses are designed for anyone passionate about helping others. Ready to start your healthcare career? Enroll today at DCDC Academy of Healthcare. With a 100% job guarantee, your future in healthcare is waiting for you. DCDC Academy of Healthcare, shaping healthcare careers, one student at a time.